Hello, I'm Rouge. We will talk about Trans-Siberian Railways. The Trans-Siberian Railway is a network of railways connecting Moscow with the Russian Far East. The Russian Empire government ministers personally appointed by the Emperor Alexander III of Russia and by his son, Tsarevich Nicholas from 1894, supervised the building of the railway between 1891 and 1916. In this map, the train passes through the cities of Perm, Yekaterinburg, Omsk, Novosibirsk, Krasnoyarsk, Irkutsk, Chita and Khabarovsk since 1930. The railway was first opened in 1904. When the person travels from Vladivostok to Moscow, it costs around £1,170 in a first-class sleeper compartment, and £600 in a second-class sleeper compartment. They can enjoy the trip to see the various places. For example, the person enjoys a trip to Beijing, in China. It is the capital of the People's Republic of China. It is the world's most populous national capital city. It takes about 6 days to travel the entire distance all the way to Moscow. Remember in order, either to the left, or to the right. First place, in Beijing, China. Second place, in Gobi Desert, Mongolia. Third place, in Selenge River, connecting between Mongolia and Buryatia, Russia. Fourth place, Novosibirsk City, in Russia. Fifth place, Yekaterinburg City, in Russia. And finally, sixth place, Moscow, in Russia, the capital city. So this transport is called as Trans-Siberian Railways. Like, comment, and subscribe now.